everyone! This week we're going to be continuing our learning all about comic strips. And we're going to be picking out the features of a comic strip. So let's have a look. Before we start, I just want to see if you can remember what a comic strip was. So just pause the video, have a little think. What is a comic strip? Fantastic. So let's have a look together. So a comic strip is a set of pictures that tell you a story or part of a story, and they use speech bubbles and short descriptions with each box. Okay, so can you remember any of the features of a comic strip? I'd like you to pause the video again, have a good think. What features make up a comic strip? What will you definitely see in a comic? Well done, brilliant. So let's have a look. So you will definitely see a box layout. You will see some speech bubbles to tell us what the people are saying in our comic. You will see action bubbles or action words, things like bang, things like zoom, smash, or something like that. You will see captions telling us the bit about the story, moving the reader on. They're said by the narrator, aren't they? And you'll see pictures, because you can't have a comic without pictures, can we? Well done if you got any of those. Okay, so we're going to remind ourselves what a comic looks like. So as you can see in my comic here, we've got our box layout. We've got little boxes for our writing and our pictures. We've got some speech bubbles and some thought bubbles. We've got our captions. Okay, so what features can you spot in this comic strip? Just pause the video, have a little look, have a little think. What features can you spot? Where are they? Well done, fantastic if you said that there are speech bubbles. Fantastic if you said you could see the boxes for the layout. Fantastic if you could see the captions in the different coloured boxes. Well done if you could see the action words. Brilliant. Okay, so your task for today then is to find and label the features of a comic strip. Okay, so your worksheet looks like this. It says write a list of the features of a comic strip, which you're going to do here. And then it says label them on the comic. Now I've created some text boxes for you to just write the labels in, okay? And I've already put the arrows to help you so you know what you're labeling. Okay, well done everybody.